You wake up before the city does. Light is a rumor on the horizon. You check one screen, then another. 1,000 small decisions feel like grammar. You move through languages most people never speak. Numbers, structures, rivalries. You are learning to listen to the market like a living thing. It breathes. It hurries. It forgives nothing. Level 1, you are new to power. You know the names of banks, not their habits. You work late. You learn to smile with your voice. You learn to be precise. Every email is a rehearsal. Every handshake is a promise you might have to keep. You start to build credibility. Credibility is the currency that buys time. You survive on caffeine and small victories. You find mentors in the margins. You listen. You copy tone. You emulate posture. You are hungry, and that hunger feels clean. Level 2, you are now a trusted executor. You run models that others accept as truth. You attend meetings where the stakes are invisible to outsiders. You learn the art of framing, how a single slide can shorten a career. You master the calm pause before a hard answer. You appreciate the network behind every decision. A call from a name you know becomes a private weather report. You begin to understand leverage, how a promise, a contract, an introduction changes the slope of outcomes. You keep your head when markets shout. You keep your friends thin, not cruelly, just efficiently. Choices become fewer, but each one heavier. You are paid for discipline. You begin to pay for discretion. Level 3, you are a mover. Your signature has gravity. You sit at tables where institutions whisper. You represent capital. Your conversations bend policy and strategy. You learn to speak in horizons, quarterly, 5 years, generational. You watch reputations like weather patterns. You invest in silence. You build alliances across time zones and tax codes. You learn to tolerate risk and to hide it when needed. You know the difference between risk and ruin. You start to care about legacy, not vanity continuity. You wire memos in the night and wake to headlines. You are patient, because impatience costs more than delay. Level 4, you are a strategist of systems. You no longer think about deals only. You think about rules. You influence norms that shape entire industries. You pack rooms with lawyers and economists like conductors assembling an orchestra. You design incentives that people will chase for years. You carry the consequences of scale. Mistakes at this level ripple like storms. You develop rituals to keep perspective. Morning runs that clear your mind. Evening calls with family that remind you who you are besides the ledger. You build teams that can outlast your ego. You learn the luxury of replacing yourself. When you speak, markets adjust. When you are quiet, they speculate. You balance ambition with the need for stewardship. Level 5, you are a gatekeeper. You control access to capital and opportunity. Your phone rings with curiosities and crises. You meet founders with courage and ideas that smell of glue and midnight oil. You fund futures, and sometimes you kill them. You develop taste, not just for returns, but for truth. You bet on people more than products. You become a curator of potential. Power teaches you to be invisible in victory. You learn that influence given freely is more valuable than influence hoarded. You weigh public good against private gain in 1,000 quiet calculations. You start foundations, or boards, or quiet promises. You understand philanthropy as a long game reputation, tax efficiency, and sometimes genuine repair. Level 6, you are an institution unto yourself. Your name carries with it assumptions and expectations. You are invited to shape policy, to testify, to comment. You learn the optics of statements. Every speech is a crafted mirror. You find that silence can be an answer in itself. You steward resources that outlive you. You write memos about continuity plans, succession, crisis, scenarios. You study history not as story, but as manual. You live with the knowledge that your decisions live on in the spreadsheets of the next generation. You cultivate humility as an operational tool. It keeps you alert, adaptable. You understand that wealth is a system, not a trophy. Level 7, you are almost myth. You move in rooms with leaders who change nations. Your counsel can delay storms or light beacons. You build narratives for markets, for citizens, for your heirs. You practice ethical architecture, designing choices that reduce harm. You feel the loneliness that comes with high altitude. Trust is now your scarcest asset. You practice ritual trust, regular audits, transparent structures, honest dissent. You mentor the next level of leaders. You teach them to be paradoxical, fierce and tender, decisive and patient. You measure success differently, not by quarterly returns alone, but by resilience. How many failed ideas did the system survive because you planned for failure? How many futures did you buy with steady hands? You are learning that the ladder is also a web. Every rung connects to systems, histories, and other people. You are never truly alone up here. You are accountable to markets, to regulators, to families, to futures. Power refracts responsibility. At each level, the clarity you gained is a new kind of burden. When you look down, you see ambition, fear, hunger, kindness. When you look up, you see possibilities and duties you haven't earned yet. Close your eyes. Imagine making a decision tomorrow that protects 10, 100, 1,000 lives. Imagine making one that sacrifices them. Which life do you value more? What structures will you leave behind so others have a fairer chance? You are part of a system that shapes how the world breathes. That knowledge can be terrifying. It can also be quietly liberating. You can choose to be precise without being cruel. You can choose to be ambitious without losing sight of people. You can pass on a system that is slightly better than the one you inherited. Finally, remember that the highest measure is not how much you control, but what you enable. Enable stability. Enable mobility. Enable dignity. Enable trust. You move through levels. You collect lessons. You drop some along the way. You become a map for those behind you. And one day, someone will name a level after a lesson you taught. Not because of your wealth, but because you showed how to use it. You breathe. The market exhales. You keep walking.